Hello once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be taking you through Microsoft PowerPoint, and specifically I'll be looking on how to make a good presentation and how to use the master slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. Now, how do you make a good presentation? First of all, a good presentation should have obviously the title slide, yes, and as you can see, last time we talked about the title slide, so I won't go much into it. And we also talked about the contents of the title slide. But as you can see, a good PowerPoint presentation should have visualize images, trying to visualize what you're talking about so that the people that you're presenting to will be able to get you. Then ensure that as you can see my second slide, I'm talking about the presentation outline. What are you going to talk about in your presentation? So because you need to tell the people what you'll be talking about, so that you don't just present without an objective or an aim. A good presentation should also be very organized. It shouldn't be too congested. As you can see, my slides are not congested. So ensure that when you're making a PowerPoint presentation, your work is well bulleted. You don't put too much information. We don't want to have a situation where people will be looking, trying to read the slides instead of listening to you. The slides are supposed to guide you as you explain to the group of people. So ensure they have the images, because there are some people who may not be able to understand the words, but they understand better, or it sticks better with images within your presentation. So right after that, as you can see, that is that is my presentation, and it's not congested, and does very good images, as you can see. So right after that, we are going to go to using the master slide. How do you use the master slide to edit your work, format your work? So how do you go about it? You are going to go to your ribbon. The last time we talked about some parts of the ribbon. So you are going to go to your ribbon, and you're going to go under view. Under view, you're going to look for this under the view tab, you're going to look for the slide master. And once you read on the information they display on the slide master, what does the slide master do? It controls the look of your entire presentation. It can include the effects, the colors, the background, anything else. You can insert a logo, an image, instead of going to every slide and putting your picture. You can actually do it for master slide. So we click on that, and the top master slide is what you call the master slide. So you're going to go to that master slide, the topmost page, and on this page you'll be able to edit anything you want. We have seen that we can change the font, the color. Let's try that. I want to change the color. I go back to home. I want the title to be what? I want it to be blue, let's say. What else do I want? What about this information down? I want it to be, do you want to change the color, or you want to leave it that way? If you want to leave it that way, do you want to increase the font? You can as well increase the font size or reduce, and to apply to everything. You can do anything, literally. You can highlight that as well, and because I want to bold it, I'll be able to bold my titles for my slides. So this is what you call the main slide, master slide. Yes, that's a master slide. As you can see, progressively we have other subsequent master slides that come from this one. Now once you go to this one, now whatever you edit on this slide, the effect won't be on the title slide. let's go back and see if what I'm saying is true. So when you want to close the slide master, you're going to close it, and once you come, you see nothing changed here, because just as I've said, other slides will change according to what the information I've put, but the master slide, the title slide, won't be able to change. So how do you do it? In case you want to edit the master slide, from where? From in case you want to edit the title slide from using the master slide. So you're still going to go under view, and under view I said you're going to click on slide master, and on slide master the topmost page is our master slide, but we have our master title slide here. This is our master title slide. You can go ahead and edit it as well. Yes, I also want to change its color. I want to change its color to any, can change it of course to any color of your choice. Okay, assuming I want purple. So I've just like that, you can be able to change your, customize your title slide as well using master title slide. You can as well and also edit the subtitle style, because that was for the title. Yeah, you can also, may also want it in a different color. Let's say you wanted it in want a very bright color. Okay, yellow. Yes, and you'll be able to change. You can as well temper with our font size and all that. So that is, so once you can go ahead, so whatever changes you do here, they'll only be applied to the title slide. Once you go further down, you see this is another, the title and content slide that we saw last time. So whatever changes that you apply here, they'll be applied to only those slides with a title and content only. In case it finds a title with comparison table, no, it won't be, doesn't work that way. So this is title and content just from the layout that we are seeing. We have interacted with these layouts, and once you proceed further, this is the two content slide layout. And in this one, it's still whatever changes you apply here, they will be applied to only that specific slide that has this layout. So back to our master slide up, uppermost one. You can, I told you, you can also change the background of your work. So how do you change the background? So you can come to slide master, you say background style, and you choose which background do you want. Do you want this one, this one? So assuming I want that one, and trust me, all whatever you choose will be changed. I may want to put some effects, what you call animations. I want to put what animations I want. So you choose the animation you want. So then you can also select this and choose any animation, that you want. Then you can also put what you call transitions. Yes, transitions mainly from slide to what? To slide. So transitions, you can the way one slide appears, so you can be able to do that. And after saying that, you are going to apply to all of them, and after applying to all of them, we come to slide master, we say close master slide, and you can see the background of ours has changed, as you can see there. So once you go to slideshow, as we said last time, we talked about the slideshow. As you can see, those were the animations we applied in our work. And as you keep using the arrow buttons, you can be able to what? To navigate through your slide. As you keep pressing the arrow buttons, your work keeps appearing just the way you want. And I told you can press on escape to stop the slideshow. So that's a slide master. There are many more effects you can do there. You can while putting these transitions, you can as well time them. between the times you want to appear. In case you want it to play automatically, you can also do that. So thank you so much for listening to me. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you so much.